Hey there, coming at you this week to show you how to prepare a zucchini that you would like to stuff. So the first step is to cut the two ends off of your zucchini and then slice it in half lengthwise. The only tool that you need from there is a spoon. So you can see the seeds on the inside of the zucchini. You are going to take your spoon and sort of dig it in and go like this and just keep peeling down. Yeah, in 1 minute you can. And you're just gonna do that and kind of shake your spoon around in there. I'm gonna shake it, and I'm just sort of scraping and shaking the spoon over the seeds until I have this nice little boat, basically. And this is what we're gonna stuff. So stay tuned for the recipe that's gonna go along with these incredible zucchini. That's all you need is a zucchini and a spoon.